girls, you are looking very pretty this fine, fresh winter morning. I don't have a tripod, so this might be a little bit shaky. We are on our way to go ride the Husky 350 for the first time since I put any of the project bike parts on it. It's early in the morning. I am leaving my house to go to the garage. The garage is not at my house. I live on a main road. Not for long though. Hopefully. I've got a new front tyre on as well. I haven't put a rear tyre on yet because I didn't want to ruin it before I went on a long adventure ride with it. Also, never buy, hot tip ladies and gentlemen, never buy a house with a huge set of stairs to get to it. This is not a good idea. Looks lovely in practice. Terrible in real life, terrible. Ugh. Sanity check. So today we are
connected to your phone and is
anyone that
reminding you
knows
that
the Ford
emergency assistance is set to off.
Thank you for that. Just in case you didn't know, emergency assistance is set to off. So today we are going riding at a place that is quite dear to my heart because all throughout my teenage years and into my early 20s, that was the place I went and practiced for going racing. And a guy bought it a few years ago and has turned it into a legitimate place to go and ride, and yeah, so we're gonna go and ride there.
This is exciting!
This is the bike in its current trim. I haven't fitted all the plastics yet because I didn't want to ruin the stickers along here before I got the chance to take some nice photos. But I put this mudguard on already with the view of it like being done, ready to go. Pretty chuffed with how they're coming out. Looks so good. I love the matte. Anyway, let's pack up. It's both cold, but not that cold this morning. Got chilly fingers, but a nice warm cold. Fully packed and ready to go. We're out of focus there. I'm so excited.
That emergency assistance is set to off.
So hard to place this camera. We have arrived. It was a good 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes drive. I made one song on the on Spotify, so nice and close. It's slippery, it's muddy, and I'm really, really excited to go ride my bike. All right, time to get dressed. I'm gonna swap to GoPro so that I can film while I ride. There won't be any noise on it because I haven't got a microphone plugged in, but you know, I'll explain this one. Look at that lighting from my moody LED. That's it, day done. It's been a mucky one. Time to go and wash the bike. Maybe have a hot chocolate or something to warm up and have some blood sugar. I'm toast. That's so good. All dressed. Oh. All dressed, ready to go. It smells like burnt mud and pig farm in here. It's gross. Time to go wash bikes.